In the fast-paced world of the NFL, speed is a game-changer, and this season, the Miami Dolphins are dominating the leaderboard. Tyreek Hill, the speed maestro, currently holds the crown as the fastest player in the league, reaching an impressive 22.01 miles per hour during a breathtaking 64-yard touchdown run in Week 5. Surprisingly, Hill's rookie teammate, Devon Achane, isn't far behind, securing the second and third spots with speeds of 21.93 and 21.76 miles per hour, respectively. The speed trio is completed by Raheem Mostert, another Dolphins standout, hitting 21.62 miles per hour during a Week 2 touchdown run. Together, they command 9 out of the top 20 speeds recorded in the NFL this season, showcasing the Dolphins' explosive offensive prowess. The list doesn't stop there, though. Kenneth Walker of the Seahawks, Ja'Marr Chase of the Bengals, and Breece Hall of the Jets make their mark with impressive speeds, adding diversity to the league's fastest players.